So we're gonna get started on making it. So proper mixing and serving. Obviously I have all my tools ready to go, and it's really important to have lots of ice on hand because you're gonna be using ice in your shaker and then also fresh ice in your glass. So we're gonna use a recipe from eater.com that's very, very simple. It's just gonna be 1.5 ounces of silver tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and I just have super generic, just plain triple sec. 2 limes, give or take. We're really gonna look and see how much we have in our shaker. And then really just gonna shake, strain, and pour it into our glass. 1.5 ounces. If you don't have a jigger for your home cocktails, I would recommend it just because most recipes, it really does change the balance, you know, 1/2 ounce. Give or take on either side, so really important if you want to start making cocktails at home. Start triple sec. And then fresh lime. One whole lime for this recipe. If you have some really fresh limes and you're going to get a lot of juice out of them, is going to be sufficient. We talked about the volume of water in a cocktail recipe. It's really important to get a good shake on it because you want to dilute down. Obviously, you saw how much liquid was in that glass. It's not going to fill this glass. So you want to dilute it down with ice, and that's what is going to give you a more balanced cocktail. You know your cocktail is going to be ready when, if you have your shaker, it starts to get a little bit of moisture on the outside. And we're going to get our strainer. And I use just a single strainer. You can also do a mesh strainer as well if you don't want any of that fresh lime pulp in your drink. But I think it adds a nice texture to the cocktail. There's our margarita, and for garnish you can either do another lime wedge on the side. I think it's pretty, cut some lime wheels to put lime wheel right on top, and that's how you make a margarita.